I'll be showing how to merge two data files or two NSSO data files. So we'll start. For example, we are having visit one, so there are different blocks, data is there. So I'm just expanding it. So see, different blocks are there. We are having block 1, block 2, block 3, then block 4. So we'll first start with the block 1 and block 3. So it is 1, 2 is already together. 3 also we need to take that. So we'll be merging that. So we'll see how it is to be merged. We'll first open first the block 1 we have opened. Same way we'll open block 3 also. Data, this is opened. Now I'll make it maximize. Second also. Okay, now so side by side we are having both the files, both the blocks. So this is one side, one block is there, another side another block is there. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to check the number of observations. Count, like 1,10,000 observations are there. This also will do count. 1,10,000 observations are there. This is because both the files are having household level data sets. So now we'll verify it again. For example, just go to the data browser, just see. This is our unique ID through which we'll be merging. Already it is by default available in the string format, HHID. Now we'll close it. Now we'll see here also HHID, data browser. This one is the HHID. So this is the view of the data. Now we need to see that when we are merging both the files, we need a key. So what we'll do, we'll go to the data, combine data sets, merge two data sets. Now here we need a key variable. So this key variable should be exact in both the data sets, in this data also and in this particular data also. So this is, we need to have, like, see, so all the variables are listed here. We need to know that which is the variable which is identical in both of that. So here what usually happens, that we need to create an household ID, but here it is already available. It is called household ID, HHID. If we are having household and individual data sets, we are having different IDs that we'll be seeing in the some other videos. See here, this is the ID and this is common in both the blocks. See here also it is there. So now we'll see it is whether it is exactly same or little different. So we'll see DES HHID. Just see whether it is see string 9. Now here also we'll see that DES HHID, it is string 9. If suppose, see, this all information whatever it is, it should be exactly matching here in the both the blocks. If it is not matching, even if string 9 and string 10 is there or 8 is there, the data will never be merged. We need to make sure it is right. String 9, string 9. We have the code of D string also, DESTRING, string HHID, but we will not use it. Okay, so now we'll merge both the data sets. Now for that, what we need to do, any of the data you take, either you take this one or this one. So what we'll do, we'll take this particular data. This is, we are activating here, going to data, combine data sets, merge two data sets, then one-to-one merge we'll be doing. I'll show what we mean by one-to-one merge. So our how that unique ID is HHID, and then the data in the block is this particular data. So this side we have opened the data of block 1 and 2. Now we need to open the data of block 3. We'll see where the block 3 is. Yeah, this is the block 3. See, why I was saying one-to-one, because it is, see, household characteristics, and the open the one which we have already open is identification sample households. This is also household level data, this is also household level data. So information is exactly matching, or it must be matching. So now what we'll be doing, that we'll be putting the submit button or OK button, any of things we can use. One-to-one we need to select here. We will not use any other options. I'll show later on what are these different options. Here we are using HHID only. It is same in MacBook also and Windows also. Now I'm submitting. Yeah, see, the data has matched. means the merging is completed. Not matched, if suppose some error, if the data is not matching or some observations are missing, it will show here as not. If it should come 0. If it is not coming 0, it means your data is not correctly merged. Matched, it is coming, all the 110,000 observations are matching, means our data has perfectly matched with the data sets. So now just see, this is the data which we have merged in this one. Now we'll see the last observations, it will be showing as merged because all the files are merged. Just see here, block 3Q3, block B 3Q12, something like it is. Now we'll see in this one whether this particular thing is there or not. Yeah, see, these informations are there here, 3 to 12 and this all. So each and everything has come to this particular data set. So now we are having more number of the columns because of having the additional information. So this is like, for example, this many things we were already having. Now more information has come, like at the front side of this. And how it has come because of this HHID. This is the, like, it is a kind of Aadhaar card of person 1, not person 1, family 1, family 2, family 3. It should be unique. That should not be like one here and again one here. It should be unique, totally different, then only it will be matching. Okay, so now we have done the merging. We'll save it as a new file. Save as, we can save it as like on the desktop, we'll be saving it. So we can say it visit1 B1 plus B2 plus B3. So 3 or we'll write B2 plus 3. So 3 blocks are merged. Later on I'll be showing how to do the household to individual level data sets merging.